everybody, it's George here, and I bring a brand new video about the cruise MSC Seaside. And right now we are located on the deck 18, which is the place for the kids. So this is the mini Lego sailor for 3 and 6 years. We'll see if I can get it in. There is a place. Hello.
Hello.
So, oh, here is the Lego actually. That was a wrong door. There is more. So we are here entering. So this is the for the people who want to play the Lego. Yeah, here lots of. We are moving to the different place, which is for the bigger kids. For the ages, for the teenagers probably. Then the table football. So we have here as well something. Again, table football is everywhere. Oh, you have a computer games here as well. You have more computers. This, what is in there behind? There's the Teen Club, but I think this is the same, what I already went. Yeah, that's the locked. And then we have one more place. And this will be actually for the babies. That's the Lego, that's the hall, there's the toilet. And this is actually for free because you can bring the kids here and then just can spend the time together here. So, and here is the place for the under 3 years old. Hello?
Hey, here you cannot make video.
No?
No.
Okay.
Sorry.
That's alright.